Hi, this is a demonstration taken with my iPhone on how Typenow Admin operates on your website. On the left-hand side, you have the Add Details menu. On that menu, you have Category, Designer, Fonts, Ratings, Comments, Users, Books, Articles, and Site News. Not all of these links work as of now. What works is Category, Designer, and Site News. If you click on Site News, a form will appear on the screen which will allow you to add your author name, a title, and obviously your news. On the far right hand side you have the single last item that you've added to news. If you need to view more, there is a view more link. If you need to edit your details, at the top bar here you will find the details which will connect you to each category. On Site News we click. On Site News, you will get all the articles that have been added to news. Obviously, these are nonsense items which have just been used to test your system. You can delete or edit them. This is not the final product. The database is only a temporary database, and we will put the real items in the proper database when we have finished building your website. If you need to view pages, you have 6 pages here. This is a paginated news system. You can go to page 4. And there you have it. All the news items on page 4. Paginated for 4 per page. Obviously, you can make this more or less. If we need to return home, we need to add a category to our categories. On the categories page, we have Asian, barcode, black letter, etc. We're going to add a nonsense category called GGG. Add category. Quick loading page. We are already on the loading page. If you go back to category now, you will see it appear that the category has been added. And if you now put categories onto your screen, you will see that GGG is at the bottom of the list. But we don't want GGG anymore, so we shall delete it. We will delete this item forever, and we shall return to Site News, and that category is gone. The designer page works in a very similar fashion. In order for this designer page to work, we need to add the fonts first. We have only example fonts here. Obviously, one designer can have more than one font, and that font will automatically have its own category. You do not need to add a category on your designer page. You simply need to add the fonts which have already been pre-added. The fonts will be added. I will give you a demonstration of how the fonts will be added. Thank you very much for your time.